And what's up, you guys? Welcome to the Mango Grove. My name is Krisha, and this is today's Bitcoin analysis video. Sean, do I sound like I could be in one of those UFC thingamajigs, announcing all of these fights?
You have a gifted voice.
Gee, guys, I'm blushing. But no, this is a good announcement because this is Bitcoin every day. It's a fight in the ring, in this ring right here. Now, Sean, we did open a brand new weekly candle today. And as you can see, not much has really happened. For those of you who are, wondering, okay, what's happening with Bitcoin? Now, my overarching view, Sean, I'm still bullish, macro bullish. What about you? Are you macro bullish?
Higher time frame bullish, of course. When Krisha says macro, guys, she's talking about high time frames. When I say macro, I'm referring to the financial world. And of course, the financial world sucks. I'm perma bearish on the financial world. So, yeah. Macro time frame bullish, definitely. As long as you're above the monthly 10 SMA. And, hey, weekly levels are looking fantastic, actually. Like, weekly levels have been holding all of this up. It's not even been the monthly levels. It's been the weekly levels. And I think that's what's been keeping the bears from getting their profits. The people who did go short at 28,000 whatever, the price isn't coming down because it seems like all of that's getting soaked, and rightfully so. Okay, guys, we talked about this. Krisha, 200 SMA, just pull it up. You're on the weekly, right? Boom. This 200 moving average, man, look at that squeeze, by the way, guys. 10 SMA, 200 moving average. Guys, the dashboard, if you guys have access, all of you guys have access to it. It's goddamn free. The weekly's free. I believe the other time frames are free too. All the other, free. Now all the time frames are free, guys. All the time frames. Just use it. One click, you guys get our strategies given to you, right? 10 SMA, 200 moving average right over there. Look at that squeeze. That's how you play this. Wait for the 10 SMA to break to the upside. That's when you start getting aggressive for longs. Wait for the weekly 200 moving average to break towards the downside. That's when you get aggressive for your bearish play. Weekly 200 moving average historically on Bitcoin has been something that you do not want to bet against.
Correctamundo. And also, so as far as the weekly picture is concerned, guys, we're still up against support, and that's what I mean by nothing much has really changed. We have 200 simple moving average sitting right underneath us. In addition to the 200 simple moving average, check this out. Okay, we have the 21 and the 55 exponential moving average sitting in right underneath us as well. And now this is our system, right? Until these levels break, we cannot really be very confident on another breakdown for Bitcoin. These are very important macro levels that we have to keep our eyes on if we want to see the next bearish move to the downside. People are still sort of swinging bearish right now, but I'm not jumping the gun here. And it's something that we've been saying. Don't jump the gun. Wait for that confirmation. Confirmation, remember, is candle body close underneath these levels. Right now, another just overarching view. We're going to keep this video relatively short, but another overarching view that we had on Bitcoin was the fact that we're putting in this this falling wedge, right? We've been putting in this falling wedge for Bitcoin, and our falling wedge is a bullish pattern, but what makes it bullish is the break of the pattern to the upside. Right now, what we're seeing is a falling wedge onto macro support. If this starts breaking to the upside, then the measured move, guys, comes in right here at around, let's go ahead and bring this up. This is the measured move, okay? Right to the top of this, which will take it all the way up to around, $30,000 is going to be the measured move of that falling wedge. And also, Sean, in addition to all of this, there's more confluence on this level, which is the FVGs, right? The fair value gaps. If I bring this up, check out where that fair value gap really comes in at, in line with the 200 simple moving average at around 26.6K.
Yeah, when you see all of this kind of confluence, guys, it's an easy trade to either side, right? But you got to measure the edge that you have to the upside too. And your edge to the upside over here is your 10 SMA, which isn't that much, right? However, let's say we do break all of these levels. That's when the short trade becomes really, really appetizing, because look at that FEG. That's your entire edge. That's how much further price can move down before seeing resistance. Path to least resistance should be essentially your motto when trading, right? Path to least resistance. If we break all of those levels, suddenly the 200 moving average is working for the bears. It's no longer working in favor for the bulls, right? You don't want to bet against the 200 moving average, but as soon as you break that level, you're not betting against it. You're trading in its direction. So let's say we break the 200 moving average, you have the FEG going for you, as well as the 200 moving average, as well as the 21 EMA, everything's going to line up for you. That's when you can look for that 22K, 23K target that you're looking for. However, right now to the upside as well, I'm not all that interested because the 10 SMA is so goddamn close. It's just not worth the edge to put on the risk, right? You know, you guys as traders may always feel like you have to do something. You have to do something. But you have to ask yourself, is it worth it? Is it worth it? Is the opportunity cost worth it? Can I allocate my capital elsewhere? Can I allocate my time and mental space elsewhere? Maybe I can go to the beach. Maybe I can spend time with my wife, with my kids, right? There's so much that you need to always think about as a trader. Think about your exhaustion, your fatigue. You need to have all of that energy ready for when the time is right to attack the market when the market gives you the easier trades, right? So remember, you're not always trading just the charts. You're trading your time. You're trading your mental state of mind.
You know what, Sean? I think that's like great advice, especially for this juncture of the market. So we're actually going to leave you guys at that. I want you guys to sit on that and think of that, because that's all you guys really need to sort of reflect on in this juncture of the market. This juncture is only for reflection right now. There is no edge to the upside and none to the downside until confirmation.
Yeah. Let's leave it right there, Krisha, and I have a bit of homework for the rest of you watching from home. Go on over to the actual trend trading part of the dashboard over here. We're not going to click it because I want you guys to do this as homework. Again, it's free. You guys can see Bitcoin's trend, and I want you guys to go ahead and look at the weekly on Bitcoin and check out the trend and check out the volatility numbers on the rest of the time frames.
Yeah.
Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, okay? I want to see your assessment, your read, your volatility profile analysis, okay? Because I did it for you guys for months in December, Jan, and a bit in Feb too. I gave you guys a lot of training on how to read it, right? Now I want to see what you guys read on that.
I like that homework. So yeah, you guys can find the dashboard on app.mangoresearch.co. I will be linking it in the description below just for ease of access.
It's free, guys.
Cool beans.
Bitcoin is free, so use it.
Use it. And yeah, we hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you have an amazing week ahead. We will see you in the next update with this. Trade safely, trade stress-free, trade the mango way, trade the easy way. Ciao, you guys.
Ciao.